GameFi is a fusion of the words game and finance. It refers to play-to-earn blockchain games that offer economic incentives to players. Players can earn cryptocurrencies and NFT rewards by completing tasks, battling other players, and progressing through different game levels. Unlike traditional video games, most blockchain games let players transfer gaming items out of the game's virtual world. This allows players to trade the items and crypto assets they have earned in the game on NFT marketplaces and crypto exchanges. GameFi has been growing rapidly since play-to-earn games became popular in 2018. The growth of DeFi helped boost the adoption of GameFi by providing the infrastructure needed to enable users to launch and trade their in-game tokens. The growth of the NFT market and the large amounts of money that began exchanging hands also pushed the development of GameFi. How do players get rewarded in GameFi? In GameFi, the reward can come in different forms, such as cryptocurrencies or in-game assets like virtual land, avatars, weapons, and costumes. Each GameFi project will adopt a different model and game economy. In most cases, the in-game assets are NFTs residing on the blockchain, meaning they can be traded on NFT marketplaces. In other cases, however, the in-game assets must be converted into NFTs before players can trade or sell them. Typically, the in-game assets also provide specific benefits to the players, allowing them to earn more rewards. But some games also feature collectibles, avatars, and cosmetics that are purely visual items and have no impact on the gameplay. Depending on the game, players can earn rewards by interacting with the game world, completing tasks, battling with other players, or building structures on their plot of land. Taking a page from DeFi, some games also let players generate passive income without playing the game, either through staking or lending their gaming assets to other players. At the core of GameFi projects, play-to-earn is a revolutionary and financially attractive model for people who play games. It gives players complete control and ownership over their in-game assets while offering opportunities to turn game assets into financial ones. It's different from the pay-to-play model adopted by traditional video games. Pay-to-play requires gamers to invest before they can start playing. For example, some video games require players to purchase licenses or pay subscriptions. Many games even have a pay-to-win model, where players have to spend more money to buy exclusive in-game content or in-game resources so that they can get an edge in the game. In traditional games, players can earn in-game currency and collect digital assets, but these items can't, or aren't supposed to, be traded outside of the game. In most cases, they don't carry any value beyond the scope of the game. Even when they do, players are often prohibited from monetizing or trading their assets in the real world. The gaming company usually controls and holds the in-game assets. Despite the innovative game economy in GameFi, keep in mind that things differ depending on specific GameFi projects. Blockchain technology can and should give players complete control over their in-game assets, but that's not always the case just because a game is blockchain-based. Another thing to note is that most play-to-earn games are free to play, but some GameFi projects require you to purchase NFTs or crypto assets before you can play the game. Unlike traditional game studios with centralized control over game updates, some GameFi projects allow the community to participate in the game's decision-making process. They can propose and vote for future updates via governance DAOs. GameFi applied in the metaverse led to the concept of blockchain-based metaverse platforms. Players can purchase digital pieces of land and develop them to generate revenue. For instance, they can charge other players visiting their land, earn token rewards by hosting content and events, or rent their land to other players. It's easy to see how GameFi attracts gamers by combining entertainment with financial incentives. With the growing popularity of blockchain games, we will most likely see an increasing number of companies building new, exciting GameFi products. Congratulations on completing this course on Web3 and the Metaverse, two megatrends that will reshape our future. Advance your knowledge for the decentralized world of tomorrow with our future courses.
Now, let's look at what you have learned in this class. Answer this question in the comments, and if it's correct, we'll let you know the like. Which of the following statements is / or correct? Choose all that apply. A. GameFi refers to virtual metaverse games. B. GameFi refers to play-to-earn blockchain games. C. GameFi allows users to transfer their earnings to crypto wallets and trade them. D. GameFi allows users to stake their in-game tokens to earn rewards. E. GameFi allows users to be transitioned to a virtual universe.